Welcome to Future Forward, the channel where we decode the tech shaping tomorrow. Before we begin, subscribe, hit that bell, and join our growing movement of forward thinkers reshaping the 21st century. Let me ask you something. What if the future of electric vehicles, of global energy independence, rested on one bold move happening right now in the Nevada desert? And what if that move had the power to end China's domination over the battery world forever? Let's get into IT. IT all begins with one number: 10 terawatt-hours. That's the battery output required per year to transition every car, truck, and bus on Earth to electric. Sound impossible? Elon Musk doesn't think so. In fact, he's betting Tesla's future, and possibly America's, on one insane idea: making all batteries in-house. No China, no shortcuts. Piper Sandler analyst Alex Potter said it first. Tesla is the only car company trying to scale battery production without relying on China. And Musk replied, not with silence, but with intent. It is important, albeit extremely hard work, to localize supply chains to mitigate geopolitical risk. Yeah, that's billionaire speak for, we're done being dependent on you, Beijing. Over $3.6 billion has already been funneled into Tesla's Gigafactory Nevada, complete with its own lithium refining plant and a vertically integrated cathode line. This isn't a battery factory. It's a war room in the quiet industrial revolution Elon Musk is quietly leading, and it's working. By 2026, this single facility will supply batteries for over 1 million EVs a year, without 1 gram of Chinese graphite or cobalt. But what's really powering this revolution? Let's zoom into Tesla's most ambitious invention yet. Meet the 4680 Gen 2 battery. It's not just a battery. It's the heart of the Model 2, and possibly the end of outdated EV tech. Let's break it down. Because who doesn't want to geek out over cathodes, anodes, and binders? Unlike older batteries, the Gen 2 features a tabless architecture that slashes resistance and cools 10 times better, a silicon-dominant anode that stores 10 times more lithium-ion solid-state electrolyte that drastically reduces fire risks, and a high-nickel, cobalt-free cathode, finally ending reliance on conflict minerals. The result? 0 to 80% charge in just 15 minutes over 350 miles real-world range. Battery lifespan? 1.2 million miles. That's not an EV feature. That's a revolution in motion. Why does this matter now? Because 70% of lithium-ion batteries are still made in China. And with global tensions rising, supply chains are one political tweet away from chaos. But how does this breakthrough tech actually save you thousands of dollars? Let's find out. There's where it gets personal. The Tesla Model 2, powered by the Gen 2 battery, is expected to start at just $10,387. You read that right. A long-range EV for less than the price of a used Camry. Thanks to vertical integration and localized production, Tesla is cutting costs by 30%. No middlemen, no foreign shipping delays, no compromises. Money with wings. What does that mean for you? Up to $20,000 in upfront savings, $12,000 in lifetime battery replacements. Gone. 40% drop in maintenance costs and charging in 15 minutes. That's time back in your day. Would you rather spend 15 minutes charging your car or 15 years financing a gas guzzler? The Gen 2 battery isn't just tech. It's freedom from fossil fuel dependency, unpredictable gas prices, and battery imports controlled by other nations. But Tesla didn't stop there. What if I told you they're building enough capacity to power 2 million EVs a year, just from Nevada and Texas alone? This isn't about Elon Musk. This is about you, the everyday buyer, the young innovator, the retiree looking for freedom from fuel. The Gen 2 battery and the Tesla Model 2 represent the start of energy independence. Not just for America, but for the world. So the question is no longer if EVs will replace gas cars, it's who controls the battery. And Tesla's betting the answer will be written in American lithium, American steel, and American ingenuity. Think the Gen 2 is the biggest leap since the Model S? Drop a comment. Gen 2, if you believe Tesla just changed the EV game forever. Like this video, comment your thoughts, subscribe to Future Forward, and if you want to see more deep dives into Musk's most mind-bending projects. Thanks for watching. The future starts now.